Tag-on is a data transfer technology for smartphones. With Tag-on, you can just tap an NFC-enabled smartphone against the Tag-on sticker to share content between your smartphone and Smart TV. To use Tag-on, the smartphone and Smart TV must be connected to the same network, or the Miracast Intel's WiDi option on the Smart TV must be set to on. Now, activate the NFC function on the smartphone and set up the write read and P2P receiving modes. Tap the smartphone against the Tag-on sticker. Follow the instructions on the screen to install the Tag-on app and LG TV Remote app. When these apps have been installed, tap the phone against the Tag-on sticker again. Tap OK on the guide screen to display the Smart TV and start the connection. After the connection is established, you should see a confirmation code on your TV. Enter the confirmation code into your smartphone to start using Tag-on. Pull the TV to phone arrow down to watch TV on your phone and use your phone to operate the TV. Pull the phone to TV arrow up to show the smartphone screen on the TV and access content on the smartphone from the TV.